No family in Ireland has not been touched by the issue of mental health. All of us, at some stage in our life's journey, have encountered it, either in the family or ourselves or a good friend. I think there are four things that we need to talk about. First of all, we need to acknowledge and discuss mental health. This can be a real obstacle in the absence of discussion. Second of all, we need to provide much better supports for individuals and families and communities. That can take the form of community mental health or indeed acute mental health services. Third of all, we need to acknowledge the impact of social media, which has been enormous. It has had very positive impacts, but also very troubling and negative impacts, especially, I think, in adolescence and early adulthood. Fourth of all, we need to provide better resources and funding for frontline mental health services. People need access to mental health services. It's not always during Monday to Friday or 9 to 5. People need access to the right services at the right time in the right places. And this can be very difficult as a number of different public agencies need to much better coordinate their intervention and provision of services. Looking to the next few weeks, the government will introduce a budget, and in that budget there will be a number of measures, including tax reliefs for the better off who may not need tax reliefs. I think it would be much better to invest resources in children, in young people, in frontline community mental health services. No family in Ireland should have to go through the heartbreak of losing someone because the right supports weren't there. Vote for Tom Healy, Independent, Neamhspleách, Go de Dhuine Gango.